Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be drawing R from alphabet lore. I really hope you'll follow along with me. You'll need a black marker and something to color with. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with our black marker. And we're going to start with the shape of R. We want to be here kind of in the center. And we're going to start right there and wrap around and stop. Come out, back in, and then up. Okay, right here, we're gonna draw a rounded line through right there, and then another one right underneath. We'll draw a line coming down, over, and then back up. We're gonna close that shape. Perfect, there's the body of R. Now, we're gonna draw an eye. So straight line right here, and then it curves around and back up and in. And then a line up top, a line underneath, and now the mouth. The mouth comes over, lumps back out, in, and then we have a line underneath here for the bottom lip, and a tongue inside, like that. Now let's fill in the pupil. And now there we have the shape of R. Before we're done, we're gonna fill in the shape with some color. So I have this reddish color that I'm gonna fill in the whole body. But remember, we don't wanna get the eye. We wanna leave that white. Okay, now I'm gonna fill in the tongue. Let's start with this pink color. And then I'm gonna go over that with some colored pencil. Maybe let's fill in this white with black. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna take my blue colored pencil and just shade in that tongue a little bit. I'm gonna push a little harder towards the back of the mouth and let it get a little lighter towards the front. And then let's give it some texture coming down on this leg. Maybe a little underneath. Some on this leg. Okay. And there we have R.
Yeah.
It turned out so great. If you don't like how yours turned out, that's okay. You can just watch the video again. Keep practicing and you'll get better. I hope you'll come back really soon and draw with me. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box videos.